Philippines, secret history, according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, dancing went from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and three islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayas yun, Imus City, lugar coconut and corn. Ay, Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, ay, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, ay, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahagupan, Agusan, Surigao, Cayandino, Iligan, Misamis, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao, Soroyan, Padre Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulot, Awit-awit, ay, Philippines and great history, ay, Manila is the capital city, ay, all tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.